people, it's your girl Lori B and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how this makeup look. Honestly, I don't know what type of look I was going for. I just saw colours and thought, oh, let me put that on my face. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, carry on watching. So guys, that is it. This is the look that we got today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, like, comment and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And if you guys wanted to see some more fashion or some makeup looks, then make sure you comment that in the comment section below. Now that's all from me. Hope you have a good day.